Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Tenny, and of course, welcome to this branch. So, in this video, I'll be talking about importation. If you want to import from China, or you want to start a pre-order business, or you're planning on joining pre-order business. So, if this sounds like something that you want to watch or something that you want to do in the near future, then you definitely want to keep on watching this video. Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So, if some of you know, I run a pre-order business. I've been in this journey for 3 years, if not more than 3 years actually. So, initially, I started with China pre-order, but now I'm currently doing luxury pre-order as well, and it is a paid group as I offer prices as well as manufacturer prices. So now, if you're someone that wants to start a pre-order business, or you want to join any pre-order, or you want to do general importation in general, right? There are some key factors that you need to know before even planning, or before you venture into this business or into a pre-order group at that. So what are the things that you need to know? First thing first is that you can buy something for 100 naira and ship it down to Nigeria for 1000 naira. Yes, yeah, that's right. And the thing is, China money as of now, 29th of April 2013, China money is currently 111, right, which is 111 naira, compared to dollar rates. Now, if you're shipping goods down to Nigeria, they charge based on dollar rates for the shipping fees. Now, imagine if you're buying 1 kg and they are charging you $8 per kg. Calculate that amount, then they are charging naira as well for clearing fee or custom fee, like they do call it. So now, when someone, or me, let's use myself as an example. If you're joining my pre-order group, I as maybe because I offer manufacturer sales, I also offer manufacturer prices, and my things are quite affordable. I would rather say cheap than affordable, as a matter of fact. But the fact remains that if you're buying something of 10,000 naira, you can and you would use more than 10,000 naira to ship. And I notice that a lot of people get upset, or even, we end up fighting or losing communication, or they even leave their groups with me because they feel like, wow, this money is too much. Now I'm here to correct the narrative of pre-order, kiniko kiniko. There's nothing like mini importation. Any importation is importation, right? That thing you need to put in consideration is, before you buy anything from China, before you import anything from any pre-order group, my pre-order or any other pre-order at that, you have to have enough money to clear your goods. So if you're buying something of 10,000, be ready to pay 30k for goods. Now, talking of my own pre-order, what I do is I have a scale, right? We scale goods for like 500 naira, or last year as at last year, I think it was 300. Now I'm starting my pre-order by May, so maybe by then it would have been 500, because by December the last one was 500 naira. At the end of the day, I didn't even collect money from anybody because the goods just came in pieces, and that's like I lost a lot. But who will I tell? Who would even believe that I lost a lot? A lot of people threats, abuse, everything here and there. But it's the hazard that comes with business, especially if you're doing pre-order business, right? So I scale their groups, and I told them, I even take picture of how much it weighs, then you calculate it by yourself, and I can even calculate for you, like we both calculate it together, so that way you'll be on a safer side and know that this is the actual amount you're paying. Just like when China people are sending your goods to you, they like scale it for you, then take picture of it if need be. If not, they just give you they just like write out the bills for you to pay. So now, if you want to join any pre-order group, I hope this helps. And if you are the person that does pre-order as well, try and get a scale. It's the scale from, I think, that counts 1 kg to, I think, 50 kg or thereabouts. It's not so expensive. As of 2 years ago that I bought mine, it was 70K. So now I think it should be around, due to everything that is expensive now. You can't even spend 100K on it. Now imagine you're selling people's goods and you're collecting 500 or 300 from each good. Although you won't see the money like that, like so fast. But my darling, you can even use it as another side hustle for people that want to travel out, or that want to travel and they need to sell their goods. Just sell it for them before they go to the airport, and that way you're making another side money, if that makes sense. So guys, I hope these tips and everything that I've said today helped you in one way or the other. And don't forget, if you want to join my pre-order group, I have the China pre-order group for 5,000 naira, when we order everything and anything you can think of, from shoes, bags, home and office decors, everything, kitchen utensils, anything and everything in general. And also I have the Telegram group for 10,000 naira, where we order luxury goods only. I mean strictly luxury goods, things that comes with a carton, receipt or invoice, and dust bag, everything that comes with luxury goods. Please note that I'm not affiliated to any brand, and of course all the things that I ordered, they are luxury, but they are mirror copies. They are not exactly Italy, like what should I call it? They are not like store bought. They are mirror copy goods, from Gucci to Chanel to Versace, Fendi, Adidas, Nike, just any luxury in general. And the good part about joining my group is, if you are joining these two groups, you get to pay 10,000 instead of paying 5,000 as of 2023. I don't know, prices might change in the nearest future. Who knows? So if you're here and you're just watching this video, you want to help me and help yourself by clicking the like button, and of course swipe up, check my Instagram and see the amazing reviews I have. Feel free to chat me on WhatsApp. I'll leave my number somewhere here. And of course, let's talk business. Mind you, we are starting this May, and the good part is I do pre-order 4 to 5 times in a year. Isn't that amazing? So you get to order anything, and this pre-order group is for life. Pay now and be there for life. Even if you change your number, chat me up later. If I know your name, of course I'll add you back for free without paying. Also, I offer trainings, and of course I can be your personal shopper. Just tell me what you want and I'll help you shop it. Can also be your procurement agent. And if you have any more questions, or there's any video that you want me to do pertaining to importation, or importing goods and wherever, just write it in the comment section. And of course, be sure to like, scroll around and see my videos. Thank you. Bye.